Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to walk you through how to build a Kajabi website from scratch. This will be a full step-by-step guide, and by the end, you'll know how to create a website that looks professional, works great, and helps grow your online business. But before we dive into the details, I wanted to share something special with you. So if you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a full 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And in this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step. But that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that at no cost. And the best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below and let's dive in. Now, once you log into your Kajabi account, go to the website section on the left menu and click on it. After that, the website section will open up, and from the options, choose Design. Now, this is going to take you to the website design page, and from here, click on the Template Store to access the Template Store. After that, you'll see a variety of pre-designed website templates in the Kajabi Template Store. Now, these templates are great starting points for building your Kajabi site. Each one is made for different purposes, like showcasing a personal brand, promoting coaching services, selling digital products, or creating an online course hub. The templates are displayed in a grid format, clearly labeled with titles and marked as free, so you can explore them without worrying about extra costs. Now, to select a template, go ahead and click on the one that fits your brand or business needs. For example, if you pick the Streamlined Home template, a preview window will pop up. Now, this preview shows you a live look at the layout, including the structure, fonts, content sections, and overall design. It helps you see if the template matches your style and the features that you need. Now, you can check out things like banners, import spots, product blocks, and call to action sections. Now, this makes it easy to picture how your content will look. Once you've gone through the preview and you feel good about your choice, click the Add to Save Templates button at the bottom. Kajabi will load the template into your design system in just a few moments. Now, after it's ready, the template will show up in your Saved Templates section on the design page, and from there, you'll have full access to customize it however you want. Now, once your selected template shows up in the Saved Templates section on the Kajabi design page, you'll see some icons to help you manage and customize it. First icon that you'll notice is the preview icon, shaped like an eye. Clicking it lets you see your website template. It shows a live version with the structure, colors, and sections, so you can quickly check how it's coming together without opening the full editing tools. Next is the Customize button, which lets you turn the template into your own branded website. Now, if you click this, it opens the Kajabi website editor, where you can change text, add images, embed videos, edit call to action buttons, and rearrange sections using Kajabi's drag and drop interface. To the right of these icons, you'll see a 3-dot menu with even more options. From here, you can set the template to live. You can also rename the template, and if you're comfortable working with code, there's an option to customize the HTML, CSS for advanced customization. Additionally, you can update the template to its latest version, export it as a zip file for backup, or delete it if you no longer need it. Now, once you've explored these options and made changes that fit your brand, click on the Customize option, and it's going to open up the Kajabi website editor. Once you click the Customize option, your chosen template will load right in the Kajabi website editor. Now, this is where things get really exciting. You now have complete control over how your website looks and feels. When you open the editor, you'll see a live preview of your homepage. The sections are stacked from top to bottom, and you can click on any part of the page to adjust it to fit your brand style. On the left side of the screen, there's a Sections panel. Now, this is where you can manage the different blocks that make up your page, like the header, hero section, feature rows, call to action areas, and the footer. Now, each section can be expanded with one click, showing all of the parts that you can edit. For example, in the hero section, you can update the headline, subtext, and button label by clicking on the text and typing in your own message. Kajabi even gives you real-time preview, so as soon as you make a change, you'll see it instantly. Now, if you scroll further down the editor, you're going to find each section includes placeholder images and demo text, which can all be customized. You can upload your own images, adjust padding and spacing, and even tweak the button colors and fonts to keep everything on brand. The editor is designed to be drag and drop friendly, meaning that you can move blocks around, remove the ones that you don't need, or duplicate a section if you want to reuse a layout structure elsewhere on the page. In addition to editing visuals, the Settings tab on your left lets you control some key features for your entire site. Here, you can change your favicon, update fonts, and add custom codes for things like analytics or ad tracking. You can also manage password protection and disable pages from here. Kajabi also makes it simple to see how your site looks on different devices. At the top of the editor, you can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, and this helps you make sure that your site looks great no matter what screen people are using. Finally, when you're happy with your changes, just click Save in the top right corner. That locks in everything that you've done. Your new website design will be ready to go live, or you can keep working on it as you add more pages. And that's it for this video. And as promised, I've got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that's going to give you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days, which means that you're going to get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all the features without feeling rushed. Just click the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. And this is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep the subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. And as a thank you for using my link, you're also going to get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course, and this is just a quick course where I'm going to walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. And we're going to cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. And that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get them at no cost. The best part is that you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I just want to make it easy for you to start strong so that you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. Now, if you want to know more, just let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.